One of the most commonly misused parts of the post-production process is development. It is integral to pulling out the most information possible from your image, and that all begins in the development of the raw. And so it's important that we really hone in on this and we make that image sing. Lightroom is integral, not just as a practical tool, but also as a creative one that can help you articulate your vision more clearly and more successfully. In this tutorial, we're going to introduce you to Lightroom from the ground up. There's a practical side of Lightroom, and that's the library. That's all about managing your images and accessing everything easily. And there's the development module, and that's creative, and that's something that I see people not utilizing to its truest potential. The Develop module can help you express your creative vision in a much more intuitive, useful, and faster way than many people are even aware. You're going to see me work through several images in Lightroom from beginning to fully developed. I'm going to process different kinds of images, stylistically, tonally, and you're going to get to see me work through all of it. Lightroom's an incredibly powerful development tool, and if this is the last stop, or if it's part of the entire image making process, you'll now know what Lightroom is capable of and what it has the power to do for you. I wanted to create this so that it was catered toward photographers, and that's why at every aspect we reinforce those ideas of how a photographer works, how a photographer thinks about light, and how everything that we think about outside in the real world when we're shooting can be implemented and applied inside this software. It's not about teaching you a program, it's about teaching you a workflow that will benefit your photography overall.